everyone, my name is Chan. This is my video about my homework. Okay, statement 1. Carlos buys new car. Question 1. Who bought a new car? Carlos bought a new car. Question 2. Did Carlos buy a new car? Yes, Carlos buy a new car. Question 3. What did Carlos buy? Carlos buy a new car. Did Carlos buy a new car? No, Carlos didn't buy a new car. Carlos buy a new car. Question 5. Did Carlos buy a new bicycle? No, Carlos didn't buy a new bicycle. Carlos buy a new car. Statement 2. It is very expensive car. Question 1. Was the car expensive? Yes, the car was expensive. Question 2. Did Carlos buy an expensive bicycle? No, Carlos didn't buy an expensive bicycle. Carlos buy a very expensive car. Question 3. Was the car cheap? No, the car wasn't cheap. The car is very expensive. Question 4. How is the car? The car was very expensive. Was the bicycle expensive? No. It's the car. The car was expensive. Statement 3. It's the huge blue fast car. Question 1. How was the car? The car was a huge blue fast car. Question 4. 2. Was the car small? No, the car wasn't small. The car was a huge. Question 3. Was the car huge and blue? Yes, the car was a huge and blue. Question 4. What color was the car? The car was blue. Question 5. How big was the car? A huge. Is the word huge. Statement 4. While driving down the street, Carlos see a girl on a bicycle. Question 1. What did Carlos see while driving down the street? While driving down the street, Carlos see a girl on the bicycle. Question 2. Where did Carlos see a girl? In the street. While driving down the street, Carlos see a girl on the bicycle. Question 3. Did Carlos see a cat? No, Carlos didn't see a cat. Carlos saw a girl. Question 4. Did Carlos see a girl in the car? No, she didn't see a girl in the car. Carlos saw a girl in the bicycle. Question 5. Did Carlos see a boy in the bicycle? No. Carlos didn't see a boy in the bicycle. Carlos saw a girl in the bicycle. Statement 5. She has long brown hair and is beautiful. Question 1. What does she look like? She has long brown hair and is beautiful. Question 2. Did she look ugly? No, she didn't look ugly. She looked beautiful. Question 3. Who looked beautiful? The girl. The girl in the bicycle was beautiful. Question 4. Was she ugly? No, she wasn't ugly. She was beautiful. Question 5. Did she have a short brown hair? No, she didn't have a short brown hair. She had long blonde hair and is beautiful. Thank you for listening. Bye.